reverse, neutral, drive. When you put it in drive, it says fourth, but it's actually, you just have to keep track of this paddle shifter. That's the way it says. It's fourth. It says fourth all the time, even if it's first, second, or third, or fourth. Neutral, reverse, depart. You can have it manual. Then you can shift it with a paddle shifter. See the light? I'm telling you, you're shifting. But you can leave it in drive. Just turn off the manual. Like I said, there's neutral, reverse, depart. The steering wheel tilts. The AC controls, the window controls. I'm gonna take it outside now.